If you've been recently searching for wheat and corn milling equipment, attention business owners who are looking to purchase Chinese wheat and corn milling machinery. We are a manufacturer with many years of experience in production and a leading manufacturer of flour milling machinery. We consistently supply complete sets of wheat milling machinery with capacities of 40 to 2,400 T/24 hours and corn milling machinery with capacities of 30 to 600 T/24 hours. We possess a wealth of manufacturing experience with production methods and industry standards that have stood the test of time, demonstrating the robust capabilities to be your qualified partner. High quality and cost effectiveness, what are you waiting for?